1983 Datsun 280ZX. Really cool body style. This one is about to hit our showroom floor here at Cars Remember When in Inglewood, Colorado. Will be offered for sale. Inline 6 automatic, really nice gunmetal exterior paint. This car's super clean overall. You got the T-tops. T-tops look awesome. They do have a kind of a cover underneath them to keep the sun from coming in. Check out this interior, the dash, super nice. Given that this car is 43 years old now. Love the look of the dash on these with the 3 center gauges. It's got the digital gauges in the center there. And the dash itself is in really nice shape. There's this one little small spot on the speaker vent there on the passenger side. $67,197 miles on the odometer. That is believed to be original based on the condition of the car. There's your digital cluster. All right. Got your wipers there. There's your horn. Here's your AC controls. Did feel like the AC compressor kicked on. We'll double check that when we open the hood. Stereo sounds really nice. They did add some aftermarket speakers behind the seats, which I'll show you here. There's your shifter. Works just like you'd expect it to. And this car does have a rear wiper. Does work. Really nice big rear wiper. Oh, and I forgot about the power windows. They would work as you would expect. All right, under the hood, there's your inline 6-cylinder fuel-injected Datsun engine. Engine's currently running really nice, really smooth, starts easily, sounds good. Really nice and quiet and smooth. Try to find that AC compressor. AC compressor's down in here. You can see the clutch is engaged there. So I'm going to go and turn the AC off now. You can see the compressor has stopped spinning, so that appears to be working like it should. You know, it's got the factory air intake, hasn't been messed with or anything. It's got a new interstate battery. Paint and body's very nice. I'd say it's supports the condition of the car with the mileage of 68,000. You know, some of the stripes here like have worn off a little bit. Pretty typical stuff. Love that dash with those center gauges. Here. So you got a JBL speaker on each side behind the seat right there. They sound really good. And the radio's on. Doors close nice. If you're interested in this 1983 Datsun 280ZX, please scroll down. There'll be a link in the description. Take you right to our website. There you'll be able to find undercarriage pictures, our full high-resolution photo gallery. And if you have any questions or you'd like to learn more, scroll down. There'll be a link in the description. And then don't hesitate to give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks for watching.